So 07 multiplied by 6 children. Aisal, what is the correct answer? Let me check the correct answer from your side. Okay, 42. Arya has given 420. Okay, 42. Arya, 420 is wrong answer. The correct answer is only 42, or if you have written 042, that is also correct, no problem. We are supposed to think about the zeros whichever there at last of the number. पीछे जो numbers है, जो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 जो numbers है, उनके पीछे लास्ट में अगर जीरो है, राइट साइड में अगर जीरो है, वी आर सपोज टू थिंक अबाउट दो जीरो. अगर जीरोस नंबर के लेफ्ट में है तो उनके बारे में हमें नहीं सोचना है. या फिर कुछ चिल्ड्रन यहाँ पे इस तरह से कर देंगे, अरे एक जीरो है तो यहाँ पे एक जीरो रख दिया. 420. सो दिस इज द रॉन्ग आंसर. हमें जीरोस कौन से देने हैं? जो कि राइट साइड में है, नंबर के राइट साइड में, उनके बारे में हमें सोचना है. ओके, अगर नंबर के लेफ्ट साइड में जीरो है, देन वी विल नॉट पुट एनी जीरो देयर. सो हियर विल बी डायरेक्टली राइटिंग 6 7s are 42. So the answer is 42 here. We will not give 1 0 at last because this 0 is at the left side of the number. Understanding, children? Yes or no? Respond to the chat box so that I can proceed further. Understanding? Respond to the chat box, everyone. Okay, so that's good now. Now one more sum I'm giving you here. So that sum is this way. You'll be solving it first in your maths notebook and then you'll be responding to the chat box. The sum is 23 multiplied by 7. 23 multiplied by 7. I have given it in a horizontal manner. You can write it in a vertical manner, or as well as you can solve it in a different manner, in a different way also. It's up to you. So this multiplication sums we can solve it in a two way. We can solve it in a two way. 23 multiplied by 7. ये सॉल्व करने का तरीका दो तरीके से है. Yes, the correct answer is you have given correct answer. 161 is the correct answer. The most children have given correct answer. 161 is the correct answer. Yes. RNC 151 is wrong answer. Correct answer is 161. So I said you that we can solve this sum in a two way. Now we'll be learning those two ways. कौन से दो तरीके हैं जिसके तरीके से हम लोग ये multiplication sum इस तरह के solve कर सकते हैं. So the first way is I'm telling you here. First way, I have written this sum in a horizontal manner. First method I'm telling you to solve this sum, solve this multiplication sum. I'll first arrange this in a vertical arrangement. 23 multiplied by 7. I think in the last lecture I have told you about this also. 23 multiplied by 7. Right? Now here are up two numbers and down only one number is there. 23 multiplied by 7. So first of all इसके लिए हमें क्या चाहिए? ये सॉल्व करने के लिए हमें क्या करना होगा? पहले तो हमें 7 का टेबल पता होना चाहिए, मालूम होना चाहिए. 7 का टेबल हमें याद होना चाहिए. अगर टेबल नहीं पता है तो हम लोग ये सम सॉल्व नहीं कर पाएंगे, राइट? यस और नो? अगर आपको टेबल नहीं पता है तो आप ये सम सॉल्व ही नहीं कर पाएंगे. So I'll be writing table first here. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 sixes are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56, 7 nines are 63, and 7 tens are 70. Yes, 7 tens are 70. So this is the table of 7. Now here there are two numbers as up and there is only one number at down. So we'll be first one by one we'll be multiplying the numbers one by one. One by one means what? From unit place one number will be multiplying. The first number is 3. तो हम लोग पहले 7 का टेबल 3 तक बोलेंगे. 7 का टेबल 3 तक. That means 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 threes are 21. Now 21 is 2-digit number. 21 is 2-digit number, right? तो हमने एडिशन में पढ़ा है कि जब हमें आंसर नीचे आंसर 2-digit नंबर मिलता है, we don't write it as it is down. We write this last unit place number down, and this number we carry over. This number we carry over at the next place. Yes. So 6, 7 threes are 21. 21 is 2-digit number, so we have written this one here at down, and this 2 we have carried over here on the next place. Yes, you can see there. Now हमने इस 3 के साथ में 7 को मल्टीप्लाई कर लिया. Now which number is remain there? This 2. This 2 is given. Now we'll be reading table of 7 till 2. अभी 7 का टेबल 2 तक बोलना है. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. हमने 7 का टेबल 2 तक बोला है, इस 2 तक का 7 twos are 14, राइट? तो हमने 14 लिख लिया यहाँ पे. तो आप सोचेंगे कि सर अब ये दो ऊपर बाकी है, उसको क्या करना है, राइट? ये दो ऊपर हमने कैरी ओवर लिया है ना, तो उसको क्या करना है? उसे इन दोनों के मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने के बाद में जो नंबर हमें मिलेगा उसमें हमें इस 2 को ऐड करना है. हमने 7 2 14 कर दिया, राइट? और ऊपर 2 है, तो ये 14 में हमें 2 को मिलाना है. वी हैव टू ऐड 14 प्लस 2, राइट? तो 14 प्लस 2 कितना होता है? 14 प्लस 2 it is 16, right? So we'll be writing directly 16 as it is down here. So that is why we got answer 161. That is why we got answer 161. Yes, children, getting my point? So the correct answer is 161. I'm giving you one more sum to solve it so that you can solve it properly. 7 का ही टेबल मैं आपको देता हूं because it is written already there in front of you. 58 multiplied by 7. Same thing here. Just you have to change the numbers there. .58 multiplied by 7. Solve it from your side, children. Solve it in your maths notebook. Solve the sum in your maths notebook. Don't copy the answer through the chat box. Honestly solve it from your side. टेबल इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, कुछ ज्यादा कुछ नहीं आपको करना है, टेबल ऑलरेडी आपके सामने है. Just you have to solve it in your maths notebook. Solve the sum in your maths notebook. (58) multiplied by 7. There are two numbers at up and one number is down. So we'll be multiplying up two numbers one by one. एक एक नंबर को हम लोग यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. Saidur Rahman, your answer is wrong. I said to solve it first in your maths notebook. Jia, your answer is wrong. And most of the children have given correct answer. Now stop your responses. Pay attention on the main screen. Pay attention on the main screen, children. So as I said, we'll be multiplying one by one. First, we'll be multiplying 7 with 8. 7 8s are 7 का टेबल फर्स्ट हम लोग बोलेंगे 8 तक का. So 7 8s are 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42, 7 7s are 49, and 7 8s are 56. 7 8s are 56. Yes, you can see here 56 is there. 7 8s are 56. Yes. Now 56 is two-digit number. So we will not write as it is down, as I said earlier also. So this 6 will be down here, and this 5 will be carry over on the next place. That means on the 10th place. यहाँ पे 5 लिख दिया हमने. I hope यहाँ तक आपको सबको समझ में आ गया होगा. Right? Now proceed further. अभी ये 8 का काम फिनिश हो गया. We have multiplied 7 with 8. Right? अभी कौन सा नंबर बचा है? Which is the number there? That is 5. Remain 5. तो अभी will be reading 7 of table of 7 till this 5. We haven't thought about this 5 yet. ये हमने इस 5 के बारे में अभी तक नहीं सोचा है. We are just saying this table of 7 till this 5. इस 5 तक हम लोग टेबल बोल रहे हैं. This 5 तक का. Okay, table of 7 till this 5. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, and 7 5s are 35. Table of 7 till this 5, 7 5s are 35. We have got number 35. Now we'll be thinking about this 5. अभी हमें इस 5 के बारे में सोचना है. 7 5s are 35. अभी इस 35 में हमें ये 5 को ऐड करना है. इस 5 को क्या करना है? आपको ऐड करना है. That means 35 plus 5. 35 plus 5 कितना होता है? 35 plus 5, it is 40. 35 plus 5, it is 40. So we'll be writing here 40. So dear children, the correct answer is 406. 406. Yes. This way we are supposed to solve this kind of sum. This is the one method. This one method I told you to solve it. Okay. Another one more method is there, which we call it lattice method. Which we call it lattice method of multiplication. So first we'll be watching one video which is based on the how to solve this kind of sums once again. So you will get more examples of it, more ideas about it. So please be ready to watch the video, listen and watch it very carefully. Listen and watch the video very carefully. Your entire attention should be on the main screen, children. Nobody will be switch on their camera. Watch the video now.
It can be the beginning of a great friendship. Whiskas supports your cat's natural curiosity with the right food. Whiskas feed their curiosity. We have learned the multiplication tables till 10, and we know that we can use these multiplication tables for multiplying two numbers. So now we need to multiply these two numbers here. 27 into 3, this is the multiplication symbol, into, and 27 into 3, that is 3 times 27. Now we are multiplying a 2-digit number, that is 27, by a 1-digit number, that is 3. So 3 into 27, but I know the table of 3 only till 3 into 10. I don't know the table of 3 for 3 into 27. So how do I multiply this? Also, I don't know the table of 27. But still, I can multiply it using the table of 3. How? This is the ones place. This is the tens place. So first I multiply the digit in the ones place. That is 7. 3 into 7. Now in the table of 3, I have 3 into 7, which is 21. So I need to write the answer of 3 into 7 in the ones place. But I know that ones place can have only one digit. Now 21 means 1 ones and 2 tens. So 1 ones will come in the ones place because I have 1 ones. So 1 will come in the ones place and I have 2 tens. So 2 tens will be carried over to the tens place. I say that I am carrying 2 to the tens place. So 2 tens goes to the tens place. Now what do? I first multiply 3 by the digit in the tens place. So 3 into 2, 3 into 2 from the table of 3 is 6. So should I write 6 here? Newborn baby skin is delicate. Protect and nourish with Baby Dove with 100% skin. I have 3 into 2 tens. Now 3 into 2 tens gives me 6 tens. But I also have 2 tens as carryover. So I need to add this 2 tens to the 6 tens. 2 tens plus 6 tens gives me 8 in the tens place. So 3 multiplied by the tens digit, which is 2. Whatever is the answer, that is 6 in this case, I need to add the carry to it. So I need to add 2 to it. So I get 81 is the answer. But why is this happening? Let us see. 27 means 20 plus 7, because I have 7 ones. So 7, 2 tens, so 20. If I add 20 and 7, I get 27. And I am multiplying these by 3.
So if I multiply 7 by 3, I get 21. 7 into 3 is 21. Also, if I multiply 20 by 3, what will I get? 3 into 2 is 6, and I have a 0. So I have a 0 here. 20 into 3 gives me 60. This is same as 2 tens multiplied by 3 gives me 6 tens. And now I need to add these two. So I get 1 and 8 here. 81, which is what we have here. So these two are the same, and that is why we are multiplying it in this manner. So we see that why do we multiply it in this manner? Why do I multiply a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number in the manner I am doing? And this answer, that is 81, is called the product. It is the answer or the result of multiplication. Now, let us multiply these two numbers. I have 87 into 6. So, I need to remember the table of 6 for this. I have the table of 6 here. First, I will multiply 6 by the ones digit, that is 7. 6 into 7 is 42. So, 42 is 2 ones and 4 tens. 2 ones is written here and 4 tens is carried here. Now what do I do? So do I add 4 and 8? In addition, we add these numbers. But in the case of multiplication, do I add 4 and 8 and make it 12? No. I don't multiply like this. Then how do I multiply? This 4 is carried over. So I leave this 4 aside and I multiply 6 by 8. So because I am multiplying, I need to multiply 6 by 7. I need to multiply 6 by 8. What is the answer of 6 into 8? 48. 6 into 8 is 48. And to this 48, now I add 4. So to this 48, I add 4 and I get 52. So 52. So 2 is in the tens place and 5 is in the hundreds place. So the answer is 522. How do we get the answer? 6 multiplied by 7, 2, 4 was carried, then 6 multiplied by 8, whatever was the answer, we added 4 to it and got 52. Now let us cross verify. 87 is 80 plus 7. And I need to multiply by 6. So 7 into 6, 80 into 6, 7 into 6 is 42. What is 80 into 6? 8 into 6 is 48. And I have 1 0. So I put 1 0 at the end. And I add these two. So 0 plus 2 gives me 2. 8 plus 4 gives me 12. 2, 1 carry. 1 plus 4 gives me 5. So I have 522, which is the same as this. So we see we can multiply two numbers using this method. First, by multiplying 6 by the ones digit, then by multiplying 6 by the tens digit. And if the answer has 2 digits, it is carried over. That is, the digit to the left is carried to the place on the left. Now can you try this on your own? So we have 55 into 5. So first I multiply 5.
So I hope children you must have understood how to multiply the numbers by 2-digit number by one number. Yes, I hope